Dear students, do you know who is a tenant farmer? A tenant farmer is one who lives on the tills, who lives on and tills the land owned by a landlord. The tenant farmer usually pay rent in cash or kind. They have to work in their fields and they will get the grains in lieu of their hard work. So, kind is part of the crop or a combination of both, little bit of money and some crop. Since Indian farmers are simple, illiterate people, the landlord succeeded in taking away most of the crop. So they used to get very less. So whole life they were under debts only. As a result, the poor farmers were left without enough to feed their family and constantly remained in debt of the landlord. So here you will see in the story Halku and Munni. In the first part of the story, let us read the story. Halku came in and said to his wife, "The landlord has come. Get the rupee you set aside. I'll give him the money and somehow or others we will get along with it." Munni had been sweeping. She was cleaning the house. She turned around and said, "But there are only 3 rupees. If you give them to him, where's the blanket going to come from? How are you going to get through these January nights in the field? It is so cold, so chilled, so very difficult to survive outside in the field, in the frozen fields. Very difficult. Without that too, without a blanket. This farmer saved 3 rupees to buy a blanket for coming January nights. Tell him we will pay him after the harvest, not right now." For a moment, Halku stood hesitating. Hesitating means he knew that if he will not repay the money, the landlord is going to abuse him. So, without a blanket, he couldn't possibly sleep in the fields at night, but the landlord wouldn't be put off. He would threaten and insult him. So, what did it matter if they died in the cold weather as long as they could just take care of their calamity right now? Calamity is the disaster. Disaster means they can die also in that extreme cold. As he thought that this, he moved his heavy body. Though his name was Halku, but he was opposite of his name. He was quite heavy. That gave light to his name and came close to his wife.